Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, VS Code and Git installed, and a Gitlab repo ready. Generate an SSH key with SSH keygen or create a personal access token with repo and API scopes. You need one secure credential. Once done, add the public SSH key to Gitlab or copy the token. Open your project folder in VS Code, then open the integrated terminal so you can run Git in it. Set user, name and user, email, and prepare your first commit. Now configure VS Code to talk to Gitlab. Start the SSH agent and add your private key so authentication is seamless, or save the personal access token in your OS credential manager and set HTTP. Extra header if needed. Install the Gitlab workflow extension for CI features or GitLens for advanced blame and history. In the terminal, add the remote origin with the repo URL, verify with git remote v. Then commit and push, git add, git commit m, git push u origin main, make sure branch names match. Finish by pushing your changes and confirming they appear in GitLab and that any CI pipeline triggers. Use VS Code's output and Git panels to watch authentication and push logs. They reveal whether SSH, token, or URL is failing. If push is rejected, check the remote URL, ensure you set the upstream branch, and re-authenticate with SSH add or refresh the token. If permissions errors persist, confirm your GitLab project access level and that your key or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.